have won it! Yes!
Hey! Are you okay?
Sorry, I'm sorry, boss. I'm sorry.
No, you know, sorry, say. You just stand somebody's house shouting like that.
I'm sorry, boss.
Don't you know, say, you are disturbance?
I'm sorry.
What thing with that?
I'm sorry. I just won a bet. I just won. I won 5,000. 5,000 Ghana. Yes! One next bet.
Hey.
One next bet.
Hey, catch it. Relax and talk. You say what?
Sorry. A friend introduced 1xbet to me. And after downloading the app, I registered with the promo code Vision 2020. And they give me 200% bonus.
Hey!
After my first deposit. Charlie.
My phone. You say which app?
1xbet.
1xbet. Let me write this here. 1xbet. Vision 2020.
Ah! Yes! That's 1xbet for you. 1xbet. Magani Sosi.
Yeah! Vision Nation, baby!
Previously on Peer Pressure.
This is the entry of the evil forest. You would have to go now because time is not standing still. The road to success is not an easy journey. Look into the pot. Pick the calories.
We on point inspection by become dining normal show. Don't.
One by a panel.
Madam for me. Kaba boy ni mama morning and intent and key free her.
I mean, I can't send us out. Is I
want you to do an assignment for me.
What is it?
Nice question. I want you to go to Sheila and then.
And what? And what, Sister Vivian? I can't do this anymore. I can't do this. You are just the cause of all my problems in this school. I pass your Alvin. I pass your lover boy. Why? Only me. Madam, please. This time around, you can go to hell.
K in the building. It's first to the K-E-L-Vin.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision Nation. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Bradian, no one pay your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure, Pim Cock on strong man best friend. School girl CP needs to buy open now for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More name break and Satanya back you 240. Peer pressure, it be real so I can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Mojagu for the council, trying to 7 flags there no any other. Sugar mama phone a date or no didn't come out what you say yeah my papa.
Be any fear free to ye be I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I befall, peer pressure befall. Peer pressure befall. Peer pressure befall. Peer pressure befall.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure. Pressure.
I feel so fly when I try that thing that make them say alright. I feel so fly in my mind. So would you help me sing alright?
Going all the way, yeah. I feel like I could jump up and touch the stars.
Madam, it's about Vivian.
What about her?
She has been troubling my schools and I want you to talk to her for me.
That Vivian girl, what at all is wrong with her? I've been receiving a couple of complaints about her every day. Issues. One upon the other.
She still wants to create confusion between him and Sheila's friends. I don't know why. I have always been talking to her, but still.
Jarvis,
Madam.
do you know what? Don't worry. I will deal with her. Okay? Don't worry. By the way, who are those on duty?
Madam, I think Ricky Mensa and Eliyasu. Yeah.
Seriously, I'm not impressed about them at all. I want to change them. I don't like the way they do their work.
Please, can I talk to you? Oh, maybe please, I need 50 cities from you. 50 cedis. I should give you 50 cedis. Yeah, I promise to pay it back next week, please.
A disabled lady like you, what are you doing with such amounts of money? Huh? You listen to me. Today should be the very last time you march in front of me to come and ask me such stupid questions. You hear me? Huh? Do I look like a pay slip or a bank account to you? Okay? I don't blame you. I blame those who actually accepted you into the school. What a chick of it. Janet, what's wrong with you? Janet, stop crying and talk to me. You asked me for 50 cedis and she insulted you.
Yeah, so if you're disabled, that means you're a human being.
What do you do at him?
And then I go for no problem.
Janet and Kasasa. And Kasasa. You know, upon the ball was saying, what's your wire day?
And then got enough with the
Janet, it's a woman. It's not frustrating. Said to be a man. Said you be and for why they man. Now what's one Mako do at you? I'm sorry, I die soon. It's not frustrating. There are some people you should ask me. You should have asked me. Let me come out. Jane, yeah, we am the last 20 citizens to the manage for the meantime to the next now. Some of their songs. Janet, it's okay. Wipe away your tears. Wipe your tears.
Yeah, another one. This it's fresh to the KE Elvin. When you're lying on. Yeah. Young Craig.
Yo, London, what's up?
Say, Charlie, we day on the road. We know the way for the hopes.
Bachelor, did you finish your assignment yesterday? Please, I'm hungry. Don't disturb me. Hey! What is wrong with you? What? Food, yeah. Nonsense. Didn't you eat this morning?
No, I haven't eaten. No. You think I'm lying? I haven't eaten since morning.
Hey,
what?
I might be a fool, many cars. Many friend porn with the blow more money. Money talk, shall never compare with a swat. Sip my time, no be walk clock. Get your mindset, never try road rust. Work hard for the money, never try loss. All of a sudden, you go make come like young God. Anything for the money. Charlie man know the rest. Same man know the best. So me pray for my homies. Maybe them did my back. Panamera really right for the yacht. So we they run me from here to home. When we they hustle for money to blow.
Is this from two guy always dirty like that?
My sister.
It's so disgusting. The most annoying part is that he is a womanizer. And not just a womanizer, but proposed to only beautiful girls in this school.
Are you serious?
Can you imagine?
And you know what I heard? I also heard he won the dirtiest student on last week's inspection.
Hey, are you sure?
Oh.
Who told you?
Come on, you know me. I bet the Form 3s.
Information.
Who is information minister?
Oh, but it's too bad. He's so dirty.
I don't even understand him. He doesn't dress well. Everything about him is like...
Say it again.
What is wrong Maybe with this boy? What is he's from the forest. I believe we are all not human beings. So it's normal.
Okay, so guys, let's go.
You're not going anywhere. Go,
my
sister. Go.
Maybe I'm going now.
Yeah, go. Bye-bye.
You two, let's go. Go. What is wrong with you? Go. Come. It's too bad. It's too bad.
I think you are crashing on him.
Me. I don't like him, please. I don't
like him.
I don't like him.
Hey, are you
This dirty
sure?
boy.
The way you were laughing as if...
Oh, seriously, I don't like him.
Hey,
I don't like
you are lying.
Oh, what is...
For the show.
Great Amugala.
So my guy forget the whole
Great
thing.
Amugala.
Trust the process.
Great Amugala.
And never compare yourself to others. With a whole lot of people, but they give up on the way to the top. Come on, see the system will be too fair for the rise. I'm dark, so man, I never stop. Cause the way they serve will be fair for the game. I swear, me come down, but I will never dog them. Now maybe I knew you, bruh. Down boy, feeling me, but Tom to change to me. Come, always on the grind like a slave in the master's farm. Yeah, still I'm in chair, who cry. And the streets taught me lesson that we're lacking in my master class. Aside money, all the world is trash. So why would I debate over ways that a brother made it? When I got goes to school, I paid the pay.
We are make time for that science master, no? Every day new book.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
So, in order to please, you sent for me.
Yeah. Hey,
One normal one.
Kezia, have you eaten?
Yes, of course. I went for dining.
Oh wow, that's nice. Please, the cocoa. Where has your class gotten to?
And please, how is that your business?
I'm just asking.
Anyways, we are at minute 15. That's a right of tears.
Oh wow, fantastic. I think we get that in Form 1. It's poetry, right?
Please, I think you don't have anything to say. I was busy when Rachel came and called me. Excuse me.
Okay, yeah. A minute. I have something to tell you.
If we give a full year, full scholarship, you can't say nothing. Hey, call Richie. You see your life.
Fresh. Eliyasu. Yeah, fast and going to.
This common Form 1K, you couldn't even talk to her. Talking about cockroach, in the chest of a woman. Hey!
I didn't fit in what I'm here. Stand up and let's go. So let me uncle. What's that? What's your way up with it for you? You know, me can't be one year. Next time. Now, after. Next time. No. Which time are you want to get again? What's up, papa?
In the building. He's first to the cake, Elfin.
What's happening there?
Yeah.
Visionation.
You want to try school girl CP, you to buy open up for same day, I'll be a lesbian. Broad boys be near boy or back class hour, depends on what I'm seeing to the bank. Morning break, I tell you about you, peer pressure, if you real one can't see me never found, yeah, I'm in my tree. It became more jagoo for the chance of 27 flags, yeah, you got my phone, you date on what you say, yeah, my papa.
Yeah, if you're free, to ye, be I do too. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay. Yeah, if you're free, to ye, be I do too. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay.
Hello, this man.
Peer pressure,
Can you come over?
Peer pressure,
Where are you heading to?
I don't go like this. Ladies, mama, you winning that?
You are funny. Should I get a microphone to announce the whole school before you get to know that's your new name here?
Pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure.
Okay. So wow. Yeah, maybe that's one part that. But you know, see the mess with the go around the school, you will cause up.
How am I casting this drama?
You know, you will bring a letter.
Oh, my brother. But who am I to stop running an errand for a Form 3 sister? She asked me to deliver, and I did. So, what was it? But you're a superstar now, everybody knows you. You're this man.
You let's forget. It's past. Let's talk about this later.
I'm okay. I'll join you.
Where they go?
Bye-bye. Say how to fuck. Hey!
Violin.
Yeah. Visionation. Say, Mobian Dada, morning, Bradian, and one pair your crab one pair. Mobian my pressure, Pim Cock was from my best friend. School girl CP, need to buy open now for same day, I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P, near boy, or back class hour, depends on what I'm seeing to the bank. Morning break, and Satan about you 240. Peer pressure.
I didn't mean any other church. Watch it. On the throne, we see the sell. The voice of what Jack's on every bone in a beer. The beer was strong, your man, to really ye. The beer you rap you. See, I'm church on no more way now. But I call the other donkey still out. Bears the creator monkey is still a monkey. So that's it from once. The time you could me and sit on the one you're calling the ever. And build yourself more who yes. And we saw man about.
Don't let you know it's not good. It's a hundred percent. It's a yama.
Mr. Bodin, wait me to anytime. You can say, I say, Bruni one time. How be a rabbit came was a quotation in my house. Our background had been a bad. Hey, for the gang. So
feel free.
Vivian, I've received a lot of complaints concerning Alvin and other students. You are just here disturbing people. It just left with few months for you to complete school. Instead of you to lie low and steady and complete successful, you are there gallivanting and disturbing people. What is wrong with you?
So we didn't anywhere we see us hiding. So Krama, I don't know. I didn't know. For some you pay fingertips too. You hear me see us soon. But I say, and that's all power and very good. So me, I don't know. That's too much. So I'm not the tree. Me, for so on a tree, then it will make sure when you want there.
Share. Mami can show. Would done any kaka sign. Never stressing. Onu mo ye da o chatso. Dead one be back to ninu. Et mami catch on. Sit up and steady. Do you hear me? Take your book seriously. What is this? Come on, zip up. Zip up. Zip up.
Hey, I'm about to throw you.
Watch it.
Watch your name out. Wait.
You see him throwing. Pashi wonu.
Chin me.
Chin. Minji mo. Chin. Afi jim. Na no popo.
That's more. We are class 1.
Relax, man. Relax, they meal.
You didn't feel you know.
Say the home.
Many are cool.
Chin. Chimbika. Hey, Chimbika na uji. Chimbika. Afi jim. Relax, afi jim.
Ona woko.
So much shrebi. Fimenyodo. Come na question ade. Fusa makwa. Was who I did suade, ebe and Namnanzama win young saying, eh? Why out 2 months pay?
Man, it's Hanukkah crown.
I didn't jado church.
Boguso, a vem, young Bama, dear no bad in Uguso. Hey, what do you want?
Why they would here?
Was it very good? That's how chewing it. And never do temple to go high. Straight up to class 3. Very good. Wow, you are welcome to the table of
man. Last time, don't like the I didn't hear inspection. I did your share in that master, science master.
I said, 1 minute boy.
She ne punish no telling you about Bola. I didn't one. Maybe
now, party.
I don't base our John like how do I was sound doing.
See a poor child.
John,
so to him and the cat. Now we do be winning. The more we are life. What is it? See, I had a said, I look environment. Nick, I can never the cat room with them.
It's magic. Come on,
what do you see?
No, as a why, as a who say small be, who it's young, sir.
I don't know you far, once you through be small, sir. I don't want you fear Ruby. So let me tell you,
I didn't know some.
Yeah, and I will see you when you are based in a gym more. Boom. So, it's why it's a fever, you can't stop.
You can't what I say. I didn't know no moody see on no.
So you want you?
No. Meaning you when you move. Then he said when you're
nice one day. Very good. Na chiwe ni wo esa wo chiwe ni fast wise and all the bank ya bomo.
Boyo ya. Chin kaka crazy. Chin amani si anu ese zuwa no ja.
And your finish line. So I didn't cross one eyes a bit.
Yeah, I see our babbage.
Thank you for watching Peer Pressure series. But the one thing you should know is poverty doesn't know the gentleman. That is why I don't play with the #1 betting company in the world. That is OneXBet. Just download the app on your phone and register with the promo code Vision2020 and get 200% bonus on your deposit. OneXBet, the legends.
Abano. It's candy beat, oh my god. I from me some black. To the man them, fair money. Me no care, fair money. Baby, spoon, fair money. Fair money, fair money, fair money. Me no care. Fair money. Fair money, fair money, fair money. HisNationGA.com. So show what compa, yeah, yeah, so what the color can swa, yeah, yeah, so pan and the wa, yeah, yeah. Yeah, so show what compa, yeah, yeah. I say, yeah, yeah, as if
Mama.
Jen. No, what to say?
And you.
Oh. That's a man should be safe.
Yeah, and you're 4 too. And you look will be on more campus. Never see anything, Chinese. Yeah, see, we are, and say, see, why I don't have no time. What would you like to show?
Fresh boy, why are you crying? Huh? Why are you crying? Have you forgotten that you were told not to eat or drink for 3 good days?
That's what to say.
School wants them now, Becca. School wants them. I can't just say to school. The school is so boring and waste of time. Huh? Tell my minka.
Hey, you guys, that is the main reason why I told you that you should stop schooling and come and be with us. We are going to take good care of you. And I'm a boy.
Me. Like, you know, any good idea. Your parents are mom penny. So, you, Jake,
what's that? I'm in the
room. I'm a camera from the J school. Come about shit, so I'm tired. Sorry, that is shit. Wow, we come in J school. It's a sound.
Hey, really?
But, I'm fat. Experience when you're sure, come.
Hey, welcome you.
Check you. We have only a day left. What's up for background to be fasting? Oh, what am I? Does you go from 1 minute? The woman to also be 5 for a Super Bowl. Hey, be careful. It's okay. I'll be your man, okay? Be strong. We will be through with all these things. Very soon we are going to smile. You better tea, you better sound quiet. Huh? Yeah. Boy, take heart. Take heart. Come here to be frank. Hey, yeah. Come here, but please, calm down.
Ramakasha boys, they want in the place. Sofia Sammy, Dabura Kulu Amadi,
Henry, by the way, who is this guy?
One of our friends. See a life near if you're interested. So,
baby, who's the last now catch him, say a friend or child, say, because he a friend back will become for, my lipstick. Oh, lipstick, you'll be associated here.
That's why it's true. It's
my lipstick. The boy is in your cards.
Okay, so, what's your name, guy? Hello,
Yes, my name is Wachi.
Wachi.
Yes, Wachi.
You are welcome, okay?
Yeah.
We are going to take good care of you.
I trust you.
I
trust you.
Right? I think Mama lipstick. Me did say way the yes here the number one I'm a boy.
Yeah, mommy, we did.
So
Lunch.
We are bring the ball to your car.
Lunch. The guy is a master of all Jones.
Something welcome to
Barman. Me want show boy and you.
For me, get that for me, get money come, baby, get can't talk money. That for me, get one for me, get money come, baby, get. Baby, we are fine, body so good. Anything you want, I go do for you. Say that way I wouldn't have my own day, come here. You did drive me crazy. Baby, we are fine, body so good. Anything you want, I go do for you. Say that way I wouldn't have my own day, come here. Baby girl, you did drive me crazy. Show do a praise for you. 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 Come for me, get that for me, get money come, baby, get can't talk money. That for me, get one for me, get money come, baby, get can't talk money. It's sweet in Karina, over you a Mandela. Nobody find so I do it, baby girl, no one for me. Nobody's a song, say, I ain't just a word, yeah. Bad girl, everybody starting. Baby, do for me now like that. Yeah, one for me, do that. I know watching me, I'm gonna go crazy. One for me, do that. I think I'm gonna go crazy. You better not do that. You better not do that.
Vivian.
Sir.
Vivian.
Sir.
Vivian. How many times did I call you?
3 times.
3, right? I overheard Madam Juliet called you today, warned you, and cautioned you to stay away from that little brat, Alvin. Can't you let that boy be? What is wrong with you?
Sir, I don't have anything to do with that boy. Besides, don't I have the right to send a former student to run an errand for me?
Vivian, you have every right to let your junior run an errand for you. Not that little brat, for crying out loud. Huh? Can't you let him be? Do you know, if I hadn't spoken to the headmaster, you would have been dealt with seriously for this same issue concerning that little boy. Huh?
So, are you accusing me that I have something to do with that boy?
I'm not accusing you of doing anything wrong. But let him be. That's it. Do you get me?
That's okay, it's okay. I've hurt you.
Besides, you are disgracing me. Huh?
I will not repeat that again. I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. It won't repeat itself again. Now leave. Come on, go!
You are being too hard to me. This means you will be here now. Say.
Shema, good day, Mr. Boy. The whole say Jimmy.
Go.
Next on Peer Pressure.
Where is sleeping? Hey! Princess! Princess! Why are you sleeping in my class? Princess, are you okay?
High spirit!
Money beba.
High spirit! The dog papa! Yeah.
You run this school, you know?
High spirit!
High spirit.
You've decided not to talk. We brought you to the headmaster. The same thing you are doing. So who is responsible for that pregnancy? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? There is no testifies you are pregnant. You're not telling me you are not pregnant.
Cake in the building. It's first to the K-E-L-Vin.
Violin.
Yeah. Visionation. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Brady, and one pay your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure. Pim caught on strong man best strength. Schoolgirl CP needs to buy open and for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More in break and Satanya back here 240. Peer pressure, it be real so I can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Mojeku for the council, trying to 7 flex yeah no one nearby. Sugar mama phone you date or no didn't come out or say yeah give my pack.
Be any fear free to ye be a dream tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be a dream tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I be peer pressure be